Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that I know a lot of you struggle with: large pores. Finding those pesky pores staring back at you in the mirror is no fun. But you know what is fun? Getting to treat them. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you 5 natural remedies to shrink those pores right at home. So if you're ready to achieve that smooth, poreless look, stick around because things are about to get interesting. Let's start with a real MVP in the skincare game, Fuller's Earth. You might know it as Multani Mitti, but whatever you call it, this stuff is magic. It's like a magnet for impurities and excess oil, sucking them right out of your pores. Just mix it with some water or rose water to make a paste. Apply it to your face, let it dry, and rinse. You'll be amazed at how clean and refreshed your skin feels. Now, let's talk about another kitchen staple that can work wonders for your pores. Gram flour, also known as besan. It's a natural cleanser, exfoliator, and oil absorber, all rolled into one. Talk about a triple threat. Gram flour is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your skin. It helps to gently remove dead skin cells, which can clog pores and make them more prominent. To use it, simply mix it with water or yogurt to form a paste and apply it to your face. Your skin will feel so soft, smooth, and squeaky clean. Okay, let's move on to another superstar ingredient: oats. Yes, the same oats you eat for breakfast can also work wonders for your skin. They're incredibly soothing and hydrating, perfect for calming irritated skin and minimizing pores. Mix ground oats with water or milk, apply, let sit for 15-20 minutes, then rinse. Your skin will feel soothed, hydrated, and your pores will look smaller. Now, for a quick and easy trick that's like a mini facial in itself, ice cubes. Yes, you heard that right. Those little cubes of frozen water can do wonders for your pores. Think of them as a natural toner that helps to tighten and refresh your skin. Simply wrap a few ice cubes in a clean washcloth and gently press them onto your face. It's a simple yet effective way to give your skin a quick boost. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of exfoliation. Our skin constantly sheds dead cells, and if we don't remove them, they can clog pores, making them more noticeable. Exfoliation helps remove these cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Clear pores naturally appear smaller. Exfoliate gently. Harsh scrubs can irritate skin. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. So there you have it. 5 amazing natural remedies to shrink those pores and achieve that flawless, poreless-looking skin you've always dreamed of. Remember, consistency is key. Use these remedies regularly, and you'll see a noticeable difference. If you tried any of these remedies, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.